Welcome to this video about the Vulcan RFID PAR90209H outdoor UHF RFID antenna. In this video, we will quickly introduce this high-gain outdoor antenna, walk through the specifications, explain the mounting options, and then show you how to mount this antenna to a pole. The Vulcan RFID PAR90209H outdoor UHF RFID antenna is a circularly polarized high-gain antenna suited for both indoor and outdoor applications. The PAR90209H is a right-hand circularly polarized antenna with a 9 dBIC gain and a 70-degree beam width on both planes. It has a weatherproof design and is also UL94-V2 rated for flammability and is rated IP67. It has 4 threaded studs on the back and it terminates in an N-type female connector. The Vulcan RFID PAR90209H is a large antenna that's 10.2 inches long, 10.2 inches wide, and about 1.32 inches thick, and weighs almost 2.5 pounds. Similar to most RFID antennas, the PAR90209H can be mounted to a wall or to a pole, depending on the application. Because of this antenna's size and its 63.5mm threaded stud pattern, the Vulcan RFID HDMNT-100MM mount is a recommended mounting kit for both wall and pole mounting. The HDMNT-100 comes in a few pieces out of the box, but is generally pretty easy to assemble. I'm going to take this mounting kit out of the box now, put it together, attach it to our pole, and then connect it to the Vulcan RFID PAR90209H. Here are all of our parts. When it comes to the small items, I've grouped the like pieces together and then further grouped them by what they connect. These larger pieces over here connect the mounting kit together, while these smaller pieces over here connect the antenna to the mounting kit. However, because of the size of the threaded studs on this particular antenna, we will not need these small pieces today. Instead, we will use this bag of pieces that comes with your Vulcan RFID PAR90209H. These pieces will not be in the HDMNT-100MM mounting kit, so be sure to locate this small kit when you receive your antenna. This arm you will only need if you want to add an extension, which is typically most often done when mounting to a wall, so we'll set this aside for now. Step 1. I'm going to go ahead and use one of these shorter bolts, a flat washer, a spring washer, and a nut to connect part 1 to part 10. Remember to keep the raised surfaces together so there's a better hold. I'm going to go ahead and leave this bolt a little loose instead of tightening it all the way so that you have the ability to test the antenna angle for your application. Step 2. Once you have completed that, the next step is to mount it to the pole. One important thing to mention is that the size of the pole will determine how you place the back piece, also known as piece 11, onto the configuration. For pole sizes of 1 inch to 1.75 inches in diameter, attach the back piece with the bottom of the V toward the pole, like this. For pole sizes of 1.75 inches to 3 inches, attach the back piece with the bottom of the V away from the pole, like this. And for pole sizes that are over 3 inches in diameter, you need to purchase screw hose clamps for attachment. Our pole is between 1 inch and 1.75 inches, so I'll face the bottom of the V toward the pole and then use the other 2 shorter bolts, 2 flat washers, and 2 spring washers to firmly attach the back piece. You may need to use the longer bolts for this step, just depending on your pole size. Step 3. After you've attached the mounting kit to the pole and made sure it's firmly in place, now we will attach the Vulcan RFID PAR90209H to the mounting plate via the threaded studs on the back. It should simply slide in place. Now we will grab the extra kit provided with your antenna that contains the 4 flat washers, 4 spring washers, and 4 nuts and use those to attach this antenna to the mounting plate. Now our Vulcan RFID PAR90209H is successfully mounted to our pole. I'm going to tighten the back screw that we left a little loose to ensure our antenna was facing the correct angle. Thank you so much for watching this video all about the Vulcan RFID PAR90209H UHF RFID antenna. Comment below or contact us if you have any questions. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more RFID videos just like this one.